Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Geeky Codes. Today we are solving set-based problem from LeetCode called unique number of occurrences. So before we start, do not forget to hit the like button of this video and subscribe my channel for more such daily content based on programming. And now coming back to our problem, we have been given an array called ARR and it contains some numbers, and our task here is to return true if the number of occurrences of each value is unique, otherwise we will return false. For example, we can see here that our array contains 1 2 2 1 1 3, and we can see that 1 comes 3 times and 2 comes 2 times and 3 comes only 1 time. As we can see that all the numbers are not unique, like at least 1 and 2 have more than 1 times occurrences. That means it will return true. And similarly, in case of example 2, we have 1 comma 2, and here 1 comes 1 time and 2 also comes 1 time. That means all the elements are unique here, so we will return false. All right, now we will break down the approach step by step. First, we will use a dictionary to count the frequency of each number. Then we will store all those frequencies in a set. Why should we choose set? Because sets automatically discard duplicates, and if the length of the set of frequencies is equal to the number of keys in the frequency dictionary, then all frequencies are unique, right? Now let's try to write the code for this one. So we will define a blank dictionary with the frequency underscore map as blank, and then for every number in array we will check frequency underscore map of num equal to freq underscore map dot get, and then num comma 0 plus 1, and then after this we will create a set of unique values. Okay, and that will be set of frequency underscore map dot values. Okay, and now we will return by checking the condition length of freq underscore map dot values, and we will check if this length is equal to the set is length. Now we will check if this length is equal to the length of frequency set, and if it is like a true, that means it is it returns true, otherwise it will return false. We can see here that it passes all 3 test cases in our examples, and now we will try to submit it and check if it works for all the test cases in this problem or not. As we can see here that our code is super efficient in terms of like a runtime, and it passes all the test cases. So that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your coding friends, and of course subscribe to Geeky Codes for more awesome Python coding tutorials every day, and let us know in the comments what problem should we solve next. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.